In this video, we will demonstrate the installation method for Brymec press systems from 15mm to 108mm, starting with the process to prepare and press fittings up to 35mm. Use an appropriate rotary tube cutter to cut the tube, ensuring you have a clean square cut. Prepare the end of the tube by deburring both the inside and outside of the tube. Use an abrasive pad to polish the end of the tube and ensure it is free from any scratches or dirt. Using a Brymec depth gauge and marker pen, select the correct size and mark the insertion depth on the tube. Before inserting the fittings onto the tube, remove the dust cap and check the O-rings are free of damage or dirt. Insert the tube parallel to the fitting, up to the depth mark made previously, ensuring no damage is caused to the O-ring. The correct tooling must be used. The press tool should be maintained and calibrated, and the jaws must be M-profile. Place the jaw around the gasket housing, aligned square to the fitting. Press the button to start the press cycle, and hold until the tool completes a full cycle. Remove the blue indicator film from the fitting to clearly identify that the fitting has been pressed. The process is now complete. The process for pressing a 108mm fitting is essentially the same, with the exception being the tooling and jaws used. There are two adapters included in a 108mm sling set. The numbers clearly identify the first and second adapter. Insert the first adapter into the press tool, ensuring the locking pin is engaged. With the sling around the fitting, attach the tool and press and hold the button to complete a full press cycle. Once the first cycle is completed, it is important to leave the sling untouched on the fitting. Replace the first adapter with the second adapter and connect to the press tool, ensuring that the locking pin is engaged. Attach the tool to the sling and press and hold the button to complete a full press cycle. Once the press cycle is complete, press down on the toggle to release the tension and remove the sling. Remove the blue film to show the joint is complete. The process for pressing 42mm and 54mm fittings follows steps 1 to 6. However, a press sling must be used as opposed to press jaws for step 7. Ensure the tube is deburred inside and out, and polish the ends with an abrasive pad to ensure there are no scratches or dirt. Use a Brymec depth gauge to mark the insertion depth on the tube. Carefully place the fitting onto the tube up to the depth mark made previously, ensuring no damage is caused to the O-ring. Using the correct size sling, locate this around the fitting, ensuring it sits over the gasket housing. Connect the press tool to the sling and hold the button to complete a full cycle. Remove the sling from the fitting, then remove the blue film to complete the press. Brymec have developed a unique patent-pending manifold tee. These allow for a much quicker installation when fabricating manifolds for multiple branches. The spigot end removes the need to cut short lengths of tube between tees, greatly speeding up installation times. This product is ideal when installing water meter assemblies for multiple occupancy dwellings. They are available in two sizes, 54mm with a 28mm branch and 54mm with a 22mm branch. Thank you for watching this demonstration on the installation process for Brymec press systems.